We didn't come this far just to come this far, guys, but go back for a minute. Welcome back to another episode of First Class Fishing, guys. We're hiking down to a new lake today. One we've hit before, one we haven't. So let's hope we do as good as we did the first time. It's starting to rain on us here though, and hopefully we don't get dumped on. Weather said it's gonna clear, so let's hope it does. Beautiful fall day though, beautiful colors. Couldn't ask for a better hike, except for it to be a little shorter and it to not be raining. But meet us on down there, guys. Well, we didn't come this far just to come this far, guys, but it's hailing on us now. Let's really hope this breaks up. I don't know. Well, we had to hunker down for a little bit, guys. Hopefully not for too long. I think it's gonna clear. We haven't heard any lightning, knock on wood, so hopefully, yeah, just as we speak, it's kind of clearing down. And give us a little opportunity to get some fish. No, turning again. We didn't come this far to come this far, guys. But we're fishing. Alright, we'll go back for a minute. Alright guys, I just caught this little minnow on accident with my minnow, so we're gonna throw them both out there. I know he's gonna get smashed. We're gonna jig him around. Oh, he got off. Let's go right over here, guys. We got our first fish of the day, guys. Alright. cutty on the jig. Alright. Come down here, little cutty. Nice, he spit my jig out. And back in the water there. Let's take a look at him. And I'll let him go. Good size, guys. Good size cutty. Alright. There you go. There you go. He's right here. Pretty little cutty. Pretty little cutty. Nice, guys. Alright. Nice little fatty. Let's get him off there. Alright. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Nice looking cutthroat, guys. Real pretty. Real pretty looking male cutthroat. Let's let him go. Get bigger. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Got one on, guys. Decent size, not too crazy big. And bring him on in. On up in here. Somewhere down there, guy. Oh, he's pretty. Wow. That's a pretty gold cutthroat. The goldest looking cutthroat I've seen out of here. Huh. Kinda crazy. Hey, hold on, girl. You're gonna wrap yourself up. Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. You're gonna wrap yourself up. Let's get you off there. So pretty. There you go. There you go. Alright. Let's get this out of here. Look at that. It's real gold. That's pretty looking. Real pretty. Let's let her go, guys. Hold on, girl. I'll let you out so we can get a good look at you here. So pretty. Real gold head. Pretty little female. There she goes. Alright, guys. I don't know. Oh!
I see something. I think you're on.
I think I'm on.
Yeah, I can see him. Awesome. Well done.
Oh, good luck, yeah.
Yeah, use low.
I think we could share one leg today.
Yeah. I got about 45 minutes before I have to head out.
Oh, nice. I only got about an hour myself.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good on you.
Alright, you as well. My fourth one of the day, so not too bad. Alright. Nice little cutthroat. Let's let him go here. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Okay. Beautiful cutthroat. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Alright. Come on back. Right on, guys. big cutty. We've been waiting all day for one like that. Yes, sir. I've been waiting all day for a cutty like that. I'm gonna keep him in the water, guys, the whole time. That way we can let her go without nothing happening to her. That's just how we like it. There we go. Big cutty, guys. Big cutty. Heck yeah. Alright guys, we're on our long journey back to the truck. It's a pretty good day. Short day, but we caught some good cutthroats, so can't complain about that. Ended the day on a 19-inch cutthroat. Great day, guys. Thanks for coming with me. As always, like and share, like and subscribe if you guys like this channel, and comment anything you see or didn't see that you like, and we'll be with you guys on the next one. Thanks for fishing first class, guys.